This video follows on from last week's video that showed the very poor state of the road surface on Bolton Ave in Huncoat, Accrington, Lancashire. After talking to some of the people that I met there previously, they highlighted an issue with Bolton Avenue, and that is due to the weight of the heavy vehicles using the road surface to access the business park and other areas has led to the subsurface subsiding. This subsiding has led to the main telephone ducting beneath Bolton Avenue to collapse, thus cutting off the telephone access to the majority of Brown Birks Avenue. The duct had to be installed and new telephones laid by BT Openreach. The lack of telephone service for nearly a week caused issues for residents living there, as they had not been able to use their alarms to summon help in case of medical and other emergencies. The Lancashire County Council still say this road is fit for purpose, but clearly it isn't. But the trouble is that it's being used by heavy vehicles. It is the only route they can use, and the road is just not fit for it. This road, when originally built, was a farm track, and I think the tarmac is laid on top of the fields.